Okay, here we go, you guys. So my craft room is basically done. So let's go in. There's so everybody knows I'm filming because they always bother me. It doesn't matter. And as you can see, the stupid weight bench is still here. Never put it up for sale. I really have to do that. So let's just come towards the weight bench and not kill ourselves and slowly pan through. Why is the color so crappy? There we go. All right. So here we go. And this is my favorite part of my craft room. Look at my wall. Is my wall not beautiful? I love it. It took so much time. All of these I made on my Cricut, and they're all vinyl. So they're layered vinyl and all different kinds of vinyl. And these ones, my boyfriend came up with the idea. He's like, we should do 3D. So you do canvas, paint it a color, and then put vinyl on it. So I have one that says journal with a piece of paper. I have one with camera that says memories, one with a planner that says plan, and one with books that say read. Then I even have a Cricut, which matches my Cricut. How cute is it? And then look at, there's even a little wiener dog. A little wiener dog. But how cute is my wall? I think I need to add a few more things. You let me know. Let me know down below. Do you think it looks a little sparse? I think I need to add a few more little things to fill it out, but that could be another day. I am so sick and tired of my Cricut. Not even gonna lie. All right, so first we have here, this is my big cart, and it needs to be relabeled. I'm so sick of my Cricut, I have not gotten to it. So here's my cart. Also, fun fact, if you have a cart, please every once in a while tighten it. My cart was like this. So I had to tighten everything, and it probably looks a little crooked now. There we go. So on top of my cart used to be all my Cricut and my Cricut Joy and my die cutting machine, all in my bedroom were on top of this cart. Now I have my scraps of pattern paper, and this is my plain colored scraps. So right next to it is this table. My boyfriend made this table actually when I was still crafting in my bedroom, and it was our like end table next to my bookshelf. That's what this was, but I claimed it and I'm making him make himself a new table, and I stole it. So it's mine. I'm keeping it. So down below is my laser printer. It prints just black and white. Okay, I got that when my son was in school. When he was in cyber school, we had so much to print, and I was tired of buying ink. So that's why I have that one. And then here's my HP. And then up here are my one paper trimmer and that I use the most, and my scoreboard, and there's a Bluetooth keyboard. And on top is my sewing machine. So now my sewing machine is always out, and there's my planner. I brought it downstairs. I needed it today. And then over here is my newest cart. Now in here is stuff that I don't use as often. Like all of these drawers from the bottom to like right about there, right below that yellow one, is all vinyl. So it's either HTV or regular vinyl or stuff for my Joy. That's what those drawers are, and I don't use it very often, so it's fine tucked away back in the corner. On top, I have this basket, and this basket has always been filled with 6x6 paper and 6x8 paper. That's what's in that basket. And then we come to my desk. This desk was my son's desk, and we took the top off and bought a new top, and my boyfriend stained it weathered gray. If you want to know the color, it's weathered gray. So on the side here on the shelves that we did not replace because we didn't need to, the top my son gouged out during school when he was bored. Boys, let me tell you. These two things here are under sink storage. So they pull out really nice, and they fit perfect on those freaking shelves. Like, I really lucked out. They really do fit perfect. Over here are just extra crates and craft mats. Okay, and then up here underneath my computer is a little basket I'm using for garbage. My mouse pad, and there's my computer, my microphone. And then I have these little things to hold my most commonly used items. And there is my webcam mounted to the wall. Yeah, this mount that I bought months and months and months ago to connect to my foldable desk, this mount actually works with that. So that's what I got. And here's my chair. It's an extra large chair. I love it. It's great. Okay, so here is my regular bookshelf. This is the same bookshelf I had up in my room, and that's all my paper, like my 12 by 12 paper, stickers, inks, other kind of stuff. All of my We Are punch boards, washi tape, journaling cards, if you couldn't tell, extra tools, my little guillotine, markers and pens, and other little things here. That's my trail journal, my trail mini album that I'm still working on. And up here, I have markers. I think those might be Cricut markers on top. My planner for next year, buttons, and then this white one here is all the Call Me Crafty Al card. I cannot think, but they're all from Call Me Crafty Al. Those 4 black blank ones are stamps. I have not labeled yet. Rubber stamps, like stamping stamps. And then the everyday and the holiday and seasonal are ephemera. And then the Trapper Keeper is filled with digitals. And on top, we have extra journals, cards and envelopes, and paper bags. And then I stole this. This was already down here. And by the time I went through everything in this room, this bookshelf was empty. So I'm using it. Down here is all my 8.5 by 11 papers. I have to give that to my niece. So I want to punch them out and put them in an envelope for her. That's all just random stuff that I have to go through. I'm just not in the mood. My Cricut Joy to clean my mats. That box there is all my sewing supplies, like threads and stuff like that. My Big Shot die cutting machine. There is my Sidekick mini die cutting machine. Also behind there is a small heat press. My big Cricut, and that's 12 by 12 vinyl that I have back there that doesn't fit in my drawer. Up here I have my big heat press and my heat press mat, my Cinch extra rags, and then my mini album that I made using the Simple Stories Snap book. And then these are all my journals and mini albums from the past few years. That's what's up there. So what do you guys think? I'm going to tell you, I really like working down here. It's great. I do enjoy it. Like I said, I do have to label these. I have to label those, but I am sick to death of my Cricut. I don't feel like doing anything else with that Cricut these days. But I'm really excited to always have my sewing machine out. It's not plugged in because I don't believe in keeping stuff plugged in if you're not using it. So that's not plugged in, but it's there to easily be plugged in. My printers, of course, are plugged in. I use them all the time. Oh, and look, my big cup. It's a 40-ouncer. I drink like 2 or 3 of those a day. This here is what I use to film my TikToks and my shorts, and my one little light. And then like the above light. But that's it. What do you guys think? I'm really happy with it. I'm especially happy with my wall. Close up of my wall. I love my wall. So there's a sewing machine, vinyl, washi tape, a button, hot glue gun, a paintbrush, paint, Polaroid, knitting needles, a little wiener dog, a tag, yarn, more washi tape, another yarn, another button, my Cricut, glue, scissors, and glasses. I love it. I really want to make the Craft Create Inspire a shirt in that same font. So I'm going to. Just to let you know. I'm going to do it. All right, guys. So that's it. I will try to remember to end this video with still shots of how it looked before and how it looks now. So that'll come after this. Thanks so much, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Comment down below and let me know. Do you think I need to add a few more little tiny things in here? I think so. Like right there is a blank spot. Right by the wiener dog and the tagger blank spots. And it really kind of bothers me. Let me know. Have a great rest of your day.